Tragically, brothers, sisters, everyone who watch this video, and we have a special connection. So, if you want to practice Tibetan yoga, especially the pranayama yoga, and during this pandemic, or physically we're complete broke and chaos, and mentally we're confused, and spiritually we lost. So in this kind of situation, it's a very powerful method. It's just focus with your breathing, cleansing your, like an ocean wave, the wind, and wash the ocean. Similarly, your prana, your breathing can cleansing your confused, and cleansing your ignorance, and cleansing your blockage of your circulations, and your lungs, your cardiac, respiratory system. So all become life with this prana. So it's a very simple practice. So if you're interested, wherever the country you are, just contact from under the video, the link will leave in the contact, the address, the email. So you can register, you can ask me, and I can share this practice with you and with your friends, your loved ones. So it's all free. Mainly, I want you to realize how beautiful life through this practice. Then you can explain, inspire the loved ones, especially in this darkness time. And through this practice, we can bring like a sunshine. It's like under the cloud. Then with your breathing, just like a prana, cleansing, the sunshine is coming out.